Hello teachers, this is Trevor Lewis from the Voyager Middle School STEAM Lab. I am going to be telling you today about how to take your unlimited recording Screencastify videos and then edit them down because we don't have unlimited editing. So we're going to use the Windows Photos app to do some editing, some basic editing, and we can go add a little bit to our videos there too. So we're going to start by going up to my Screencastify extension up here because I've recorded some videos and I can get to them by clicking on my recordings. So I'm already logged in. I've got a bunch of videos. These videos can be edited in Screencastify, but the only editing that we can do is really this trimming. So I can pause it here and I'll show you how this works. I have to move my picture here. These scissors can just be dragged in from the sides and we can trim it down to the part that we just want from scissors to scissors and hit save trim. But the thing that you have to worry about here is you cannot undo this. So I don't really like to do that because I don't want to destroy my original recording. So I don't really like trimming in Screencastify for that. And also what you'll find is that we have unlimited recording, so we can record longer than 5 minutes. You cannot save a video that you have trimmed that is longer than 5 minutes. So if you want to trim it down and it's longer than 5 minutes, what you're going to do instead is you're going to go over here to where it says download, and I'm going to export it as an MP4. There might be some places that can use the web, I think it's called WebM format, but the MP4 is a lot more universal. I don't know what this does, so I'm just going to leave it and I'm going to hit export. And it's going to export for a little while. Move my picture out of the way here. And once the MP4 is ready, it's going to say that I'm ready to download. I have my downloads. I went up to the settings in advance and set it so that my downloads, I can save them where I want, because when I'm saving videos, I don't want to throw that in my downloads folder because my downloads folder is quoted and will explode. So I like saving directly to my Google Drive Filestream. And I just go right into my drive because I have unlimited storage here, and I can I'll put it in this video examples folder. Oh, looks like I already have. So you hit save and it would save there. I'm not going to do that because I've already done it. And now I've got my video out of Screencastify and I'm ready to edit it. So to edit it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the Windows screen here and I'm just going to type in photos. The Photos app I usually just use for looking at photos, but there's actually a built-in video editor. So there's a link down in my description about how to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to right up here to where it says video editor. The video editor, you can throw together videos using photos and things, but the video editor just sort of takes you to this video projects, and you can just hit new video project. You can see I've got one here that I've played around with a little bit. So it's pretty simple. Basically, you've got this project library, and this is where you're going to add your video that we exported. So you can add a video from this PC, even though it's saved on Google Drive. Because your Google Drive, we have Google Drive Filestream, it says from this PC. So then I'm going to grab that video I just saved, and it will import it over here. And then if I want to put things together, I can just drag them down here. And it's pretty intuitive. You've got like some very simple things. You've got filters and effects and motion and text and speed. Check out that series of videos that Windows has put out about how to do these things. But you've got trim right here, and that makes it pretty easy to do that trimming that you wanted to do. And it's pretty similar to what you just saw in Screencastify, except for this way you're not actually editing the actual video. You're making an edit in this video project. So you can trim down your videos, you can put them in a sequence, you can throw some images in there, you can add text to it, add motion and 3D effects, and then you can just press finish video. You've also got background music. You can probably do some custom audio. That probably means you can do narration. Yeah, it says right there, narration. So it's a pretty good tool, and it's freely available in Windows. So that way, if you're having trouble editing in Screencastify, you can use the Windows editor instead.